Alright, welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. And real quick, we got a 2006 Lexus RX400H. Customer came in, had a complaint about his vehicle having some noise in the front end. He had went to some other shop, and the other shop said that it's possibly this shield, splash guard here, making the noise. And which it could be possibly true. However, this front right wheel had an enormous amount of play in it. Basically, his front right wheel bearing is destroyed. So we're replacing the entire spindle because this could be associated with some type of collision or impact. So we don't want to risk putting a bearing into a damaged spindle with this much play. And the customer was driving around on this spindle and wheel bearing for an unknown amount of time because he said he thought it was just something very, minuscule. But clearly it's not. Replacing the spindle with the wheel bearing, and you're gonna get a fresh front end component, and this play will be gone. However, if you're ever experiencing a noise in your front end of your vehicle, and you go to a shop, be mindful that that shop may not be able to stop right then and there to address your concerns. But what you're gonna want them to do is say, hey, can you lift my vehicle up and check my steering and suspension components? So, you're not counted off as, possible splash guard or inner fender liner that could be making noise. You want them to actually check your steering and suspension for play and any unwanted movements, which can be indicated to a loose, worn out, faulty component. But please be mindful that you got to let them know, I want you to put my car in the air or jack up each wheel and check my steering and suspension components so you're not riding around hazardous. All right, remove the caliper bolts. Secure the caliper. Up out of the way. Alright, remove the caliper bracket bolts, which are 17s. The caliper bolts are 14. Brake pads need to be replaced due to that bearing making it sit out of alignment on the hub, and also just with them being generally low. motor. Okay, with everything removed, the rotor, the brake caliper bracket, you're able to see exactly where the movement is. And like I was saying earlier, we're replacing the entire spindle, so we're not overlooking any type of boring that's been done from extended use while faulty or an impact, because the customer did say he believed it was associated with a very deep pothole by the pottery in Smithfield. Pothole by the pottery in Smithfield. All right. Tie rod stud is a 17. Generally, there's a cotter pin on them. This one was missing its cotter pin. Take that out like so. All right, remove the lower strut mount, which is gonna be the upper spindle mounting bolts. These nuts here are 22 millimeter. And leave them in until you get the bottom out for safety and stability. Since the ball joint cotter pin castle nut was problematic, we're gonna just remove the entire ball joint. Okay, with all the connecting components loose at this time, remove the fasteners and take the spindle off the vehicle. No need to wrestle with that old ball joint. Here we go. This is the solution. I mean, it's weak anyway. It's weak anyway, so just replace it with a new one. Okay, we did not reuse the ball joint. We put a new ball joint on. You can see that one. Basically, cotter pin was like severely seized up, so it was like hard and awkward to get it to remove. So what we're gonna do is, once we get this on the vehicle, we're gonna mount this down, then go forward with mounting everything else up. Gonna secure it for the time being, tighten up the ball joint. The ball joint fastener, which is a 19 91 foot-pound of torque. You're gonna have to do it prior to installing the axle. You can get it to stop and hold. And that's it. Don't over tighten it, she will break. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got this one in the books. We're gonna put this tire on, and we're gonna show you firsthand that the play is gone. Well, we know it's gone because the play was in the spindle and the wheel bearing. We're gonna run these things down quickly. Quickly. We're definitely gonna get it done. And once we get on the ground, we're gonna torque it down to specs. All right, check it out. The play is gone. The play is gone. The play is gone. Thank you for watching the episode of Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. We appreciate that.